Dear students, let's come to framing questions. Questions are of two types, yes or no question and WH questions. So what is a yes or no question? It uses the helping verb do, be and have. So these are the helping verbs in English. So the do has do or does, which is present tense, and did, which is past tense. Do you like ice creams? That's a question. And does is used with singular subject. Does Anuvind run every day? So you find Anuvind running, and Anuvind is a singular subject. What is singular? Singular means one person or thing. Do is used with plural subjects. Do Haridev and Arjun cycle every day? So here Haridev and Arjun are two people, are more than one, so it is plural. Do is used with the pronoun you. Do you learn swimming? Here you is the pronoun. And do is used with the personal pronoun I. Do I look like a film star? So here I is the personal pronoun. Did is used with singular subject. Did Tirtha study today? So you find Tirtha studying, and Tirtha is a singular subject. Did is also used with plural subjects. Did Tirtha and Fatima study today? So you find Tirtha and Fatima, and they are plural subjects. So when a question is formed using a helping verb in past tense, that is with using did, because do and does is uses present tense and did uses past tense. When you use did, the main verb always uses the base form. Did Haridev and Arjun run today? Do Haridev and Arjun run today? So here you find that run is the verb which is in its base form. Be, coming to the next helping verb, be, the forms of be are is, am, are, was, and were. So is, am, and are is present tense, and was and were is past tense. So is used with singular subjects. Is Aisha coming to school? Here Aisha is the singular subject. And are is used with plural subject. Are Pooja and Harinand coming to school? So Pooja and Harinand are plural subjects. Are is used with the pronoun you. Are you playing football? Here you is the pronoun. Am is used with the singular pronoun I. Am I coming to school? So here I is the singular pronoun. Was is used with singular subject, and was is used with past tense, whereas is, am and are used with present tense. Was Advait playing cricket? So here Advait is the singular subject and where is used with plural subject. Where Anugrah and Sanin reading the book, you find Anugrah and Sanin, and Anugrah and Sanin are plural. Coming to the next helping verb, has. The forms of has are has, have and had. Has and have is present tense and had is past tense. So has uses singular subject. Has Anuvind gone to play? So here Anuvind is the singular subject and had is used also with singular subject. Had Ramesh worked in the fields? Here Ramesh is a singular subject and have is used with plural subjects. Have Ganga and Ishma done the work? So you find Ganga and Ishma, which is plural. So how to frame questions in a yes or no question? So this is the sentence. You are playing cricket. So here you have to identify the helping verb. So which is the helping verb here? Yes, you are playing cricket. Which is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. So what we do is we place that are in the beginning of the sentence. Are you playing cricket? And in the end, you put a question mark. Coming to our next type of question, WH questions. WH questions are also known as interrogatives. They are what, when, where, why, how, who, which, whom, whose, how much, how many, how long, and how far. So interrogatives are used to get specific informations other than yes or no. So if you want to get an answer which is not yes or no, you have to use interrogatives. So coming to the first one, what? What is used to get an information. So what is in your bag? So here the information can be an object, an idea, or an action. So coming to object, what is in the box? So you find the box. In the box is the object. Next one, what is used to know about an idea? What is your plan? So here, is your plan is an idea. Next one is to tell about an action. What is used when you want to know about an action? What are you doing? So you know, you will get an answer. I am cooking. So you doing is an action. Next one is when. Is used for time. When is the train to Delhi? So train to Delhi is the time. So you have to tell a time for this. And where is for place. Where is your school? You know, you will give an answer of the place where it belongs to. You may say KOLATHUR. Your school is in KOLATHUR. So KOLATHUR is a place, right? So your school is in a place. Next one is why. Why is asked to know about a reason. Why did you come here? Library. So someone asks you, why did you come here? That is the library, you know. It's for taking books, right? So you have a reason. So come here. You get a reason for that. And you use why. You make a question with why. How is used to tell about a manner. How is ice cream made? Manner means how a thing is done. So how is ice cream made? Ice cream made tells you a manner. Which tells you about a set of choices. Which is your pencil. So you have a lot of pencil over here to tell which is your pencil, or from a set of choices you can use which. So your pencil is the set of choices. Who? For people or person in the subject of the verb. So who is used for people or person as a subject of the verb. Who is your English teacher? So you know who it is. So here the English teacher should be your answer, right? So who is your English teacher? Is a people or person. So when you want to know about who is your English teacher, you say that it is this person. For example, you may say Mohan sir is my English teacher, or Mohan Kumar is my English teacher. So Mohan Kumar is coming in the subject position. Or Suresh is my English teacher. Here Suresh comes in the subject position. Next is whom. It's about people or person, but it is in the object of the verb. It comes in the object position. Whom are you talking to? So you can say, I am talking to Rishikesh, or I am talking to Siddharth. So here, I am talking to Siddharth. So Siddharth is coming in the object position. So when you have to get the person in the object position, you have to use whom as the question word. So are you talking to is the people or person. Whose tells about ownership, means whom it belongs to. Whose car is that? So here car is that gives you or tells you about the ownership. How combines with adjectives and adverbs to ask questions. How many, how much, how long, and how far are the adverbs which combine with how to make questions. Let's look into them. How many? How many is used for getting a countable noun as your answer. How many books you have? You can count the books, right? So here, book is a countable noun. So books is a countable noun. How much is used for uncountable noun. So how much water is there? You find water and you know water cannot be counted. So it is an uncountable noun. Next one is how much is for price. How much does the mobile phone cost? So the mobile phone cost tells you about its price. You may say it is 5,000 rupees, it is 10,000 rupees. So how much does the mobile phone cost? How long is used to tell about the duration. How long is the movies? So long is the movie tells you the duration. You can say the movie is of 2 hours. The film is for 3 hours. So it tells you the duration. When you want to know about the duration, you have to use how long. And the last one is how far. How far is your home from school. You find your home and you find a school. So, is your home from school shows the distance. So you know how far is your home from the school. You may say it's 1 kilometer or it is 2 kilometer. So it is the 2 kilometer or 1 kilometer tells us about a distance. Okay, now come to the activity 3 in page number 35. Read the excerpt from the story The Race and identify the questions in it. Suddenly, he heard the voice at his elbow. What is it, son? Tarun turned to his left, and there sat a man about 60. I failed in 2 subjects, he replied in a depressed tone. The man smiled sympathetically and said, Life is full of ups and downs, my boy. By the way, I am Ram Narayan, and you are one of the best runners I have ever seen. Ram Narayan? Ram Narayan? Are you the same Ram Narayan who won an Olympic medal in the 400-meter race in the 1960s? Tarun could not hide his excitement. Yes, that came the reply. Tarun was dazzled. So in this passage, you find 2 questions. Which are they? What is it, my son? Then the next one. Are you the same Ram Narayan who won an Olympic medal in the 400-meter race in the 1960s? So here one is a WH question and the other is a yes or no question. So in this you find some 6 sentences and they are in a jumbled order and you have to make those into correct sentences or to say correct questions. So that's your assignment. Okay, dear children, thank you and have a nice day.